Good evening, everybody. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I worked with Chris and hauled 2 loads of wood today, and then with Melanie and Michelle and hauled another load. So we're getting, at 3 loads a day, we're getting a cord of wood a day. Now, we got here some that's ready to burn now, up here in this little area, right there. And we got a growing mass. Dim my light a little, it's blinding the camera. There we go. We have a growing mass of firewood. We got some poplar today, Chris and I did, and some oak. So this was all green poplar. And we have another, I don't know, half a truckload of poplar left with some oak, and then a couple big sticks that we're going to run in the mill. Probably 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 big sticks that we'll put on the mill of poplar. Now that's quite a few cord here. There's probably 3 cord of firewood here at least. And then a better view of what we got today for... Oh, those 2 shouldn't be in there. Oh, that's right. Chris said they were lighter. Some of the poplar was dry. All that is ready to burn. And then Melanie and I just got back with another load. And I'll take you out to the truck. I haven't unloaded it yet. There's our growing pile that Melanie and I bring home. And we have a heavy load of poplar on here. Those are big. Those are really heavy. We did not fill the truck because it was sinking. This is some really, really heavy wood. It must be wet. It doesn't look like it, but it must be wet because the truck was really dragging. We were maxed out for weight. And that was it. So I'm going to unload that. It's dark. I think I got some hard... No, that's poplar. That's white. Yeah. Can't always tell from the outside. Yeah, so that's going to be good burning once it's dry. I'm going to talk about firewood one day because I'm learning a lot this year. I'm going to do a sit-down talk about firewood and what we use and when we like to use it. We like to mix it up now this year. We've had so much variety come through here, and we've got some favorites depending on what time of day it is. Anyway, I'm going to unload that. I'll show you what we got when I got it off the truck. I'll be back in a few minutes. Well, I can't believe what we put on that truck, Melanie and I. I can't believe we did that now that I'm looking at it. We were just doing it. We do them together. That helps. Chris can't help with them. That is too heavy. So I take Melanie to do these. He just can't do it. That's why we got the big stuff out here that Melanie and I are doing, and the smaller stuff up front that Chris and I do. He's getting stronger. He really is, but yeah, it takes time. He's a big far cry from what he was earlier this year. I didn't think he'd make it, and now he's working. So, all right, guys, that's it for tonight. Short video. Didn't take the camera because it was just go. We did 8 hours minus lunch. We did 8 hours blasting through. It's a lot of work for a cord of wood. We brought home. Well, this was a half truckload will hold, loosely packed, a truck I think will hold a face cord, and this was half, so half a face cord. But it was heavy wood. That's it, guys. We'll talk to y'all later. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Another day is done. Good night.